fam. So, I know it's been a minute since I've done a video. Do apologize. But you know, that's kind of what happens when you're in grad school and you're in the final class and you have a 40-page paper. Yes, 40-page paper due, as well as a giant ass presentation. Your girl was stressed, so didn't have time. But now that's over with, so we're back and we're doing fierce ass looks again. So this is the look for today. It's a glittery smoky eye. That's what I think of it as. So if you want to figure out how to do this look, stay tuned. So first we're going to be taking the crayon case, you know it's my favorite, and we're going to be using that tan color, and we're going to blend it in to the top of your lid. I'm going to be really blending into this because you guys know I do not like harsh lines. They kind of stress me out. So I'm really blending into this, and I will fast forward to the next eye because I don't think it's really necessary for you to watch me do this twice. So yeah. Next, we're going to be taking Morphe Palette, the 35V palette. So we're going to be taking that bottom brown color. It's like a light tan, but not really tan. You know, that color. And we're going to be blending it into the crease. And for everybody wondering why I never do, because I get asked this a lot. You should do the 5-minute challenge. You should do the 10-minute challenge where you don't speed anything up. Well, that probably is never going to occur because I'm going to ultimately fail at doing that challenge. It has nothing to do with me being too extra with my looks. No. It has to do with me getting sidetracked super easily. Because when I do makeup, this is what happens. I get text messages, I get calls, I get hungry, and then I forget what I'm doing. So, here you go. This is exactly why I do not do those challenges. Because a 10-minute look will turn into a 30-minute look. And now we're going to be taking that dark brown and we're going to blend that into the crease. Please, I'm going to really take my time and blend it in so that it doesn't go hopscotching from one brown to the next brown. We want it to be a smooth transition. So really blend and take your time. There's no need to rush. This isn't a 5-minute challenge.
And here's reason number 2. I get hungry out of nowhere. Like, so hungry. And especially now that I'm trying this like vegan thing, like I am hungry. So yeah, but this vegan mac and cheese, guys, from I don't remember where they're from, but this vegan mac and cheese is bomb. Y'all should try it. So yeah, now we're going to be taking Pretty Rich, the palette from Too Faced, and we're going to be using the pressed glitter for those 2 colors right there. I'm not even going to say it. First, we're going to be taking Fluent in Diamonds, the gold one, and we're going to be doing pressing that into your lid at the front. And next, we're going to be taking Diamonds for Breakfast, and we're going to be blending that one into the Fluent in Diamonds. Look towards the... And now we're getting ready for the fun part, the part of eyelashes. Y'all know how this is for me. So let's start this prayer off.
Dear Heavenly Father, we come before you once again to ask for your strength, your grace, and your mercy to put on this eyelash. You know, I've been working on it. I've gotten better. I ain't done it on camera. So, yeah, God, you put on the lash. Help assist that. Can you look? I'm trying to pray and you're playing with my foot. Can you go away, Echo, please? Jesus Christ.
Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh my God, it worked. Told y'all, prayer is your friend. Wow. So now we're gonna be taking NYX Glide On eyeliner in the shade of gold. So now, because clearly, as you guys know, I don't know how to multitask. Multitasking is not my friend. And so I don't get sidetracked. I'm gonna go do my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back, and the beat is just gonna be real, and we'll finish up the eyes. Okay, we're back. So now we're going to be taking that dark brown from Morphe's 35V palette, and we're going to be blending it right underneath where we put the gold eyeliner. And we're going to be taking the Diamonds for Breakfast and we're going to be putting it right. I don't even know what that placement is called, but we're going to be putting it right there. Okay, so this is the look, guys. I really like this look. It's super simple and it's really easy. It's quick if you're not like me who gets sidetracked too easily. But I really hope you guys like this look. If so, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new tutorial. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I look forward to seeing you guys again next time when I do the next tutorial. So, have a great weekend.